Wipro is a global leader in technology. It helps businesses succeed by providing innovative solutions and services that drive growth and efficiency. With a presence in over 50 countries, Wipro is at the forefront of technological advancements, ensuring that its clients stay ahead in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. The company is driven by innovation. Wipro invests heavily in research and development, constantly exploring new technologies and methodologies to deliver cutting-edge solutions. This commitment to innovation is what sets Wipro apart in the competitive tech industry. Wipro is committed to nurturing young talent. The company believes that the future of technology lies in the hands of the next generation, and it is dedicated to providing them with the tools and opportunities they need to succeed. The Wipro 2025 Internship Program is a testament to this commitment. This program is designed to identify and develop the brightest minds in the tech industry, offering them a platform to showcase their skills and creativity. This program offers a unique opportunity for students to gain hands-on experience in a real-world setting. Interns are given the chance to work on live projects, collaborate with experienced professionals, and learn from industry experts. Students can gain valuable experience that will set them apart in the job market. They will develop practical skills, build professional networks, and gain insights into the workings of a global tech company. They will work on real-world projects that challenge their problem-solving abilities and push them to think creatively. This hands-on experience is invaluable in preparing them for future careers in technology. The internship is designed for the future leaders of the tech industry. Wipro aims to cultivate a new generation of tech innovators who are ready to take on the challenges of tomorrow. It provides a platform for growth, offering interns the chance to develop their skills and advance their careers. Through workshops, seminars, and mentorship, interns are equipped with the knowledge and experience they need to succeed. Interns will learn from the best in the field. Wipro's experienced mentors and industry experts provide guidance and support, helping interns to navigate the complexities of the tech industry and achieve their career goals. They will build a strong foundation for their careers. By the end of the internship, students will have gained not only technical skills, but also the confidence and experience needed to excel in the tech industry. Wipro is proud to support the next generation of tech leaders. The Wipro 2025 internship is open to a wide range of students, offering a unique opportunity to gain hands-on experience in a dynamic and innovative environment. Final year students can apply, making it an excellent way to transition from academic life to a professional career. Pre-final year students are also welcome to apply, providing them with a head start in their career journey. The program caters to students from various disciplines, ensuring a rich and diverse learning experience. These include engineering, technology, and computer applications, among others. Students with a passion for technology are encouraged to apply, as the program is designed to nurture and develop tech talent. No prior work experience is required, making it accessible to all students who meet the academic criteria. Wipro values a strong academic record, recognizing the importance of a solid educational foundation. They also look for a genuine interest in learning and a proactive approach to problem solving. The company seeks individuals who are eager to contribute, collaborate, and grow within the organization, making it a perfect fit for ambitious and driven students. The Wipro 2025 internship stands out. It offers hands-on experience. Interns work on live projects. They gain practical skills. The program also emphasizes mentorship. Interns are paired with experienced professionals. They receive guidance and support. This mentorship fosters professional growth. It helps interns build their networks. The internship provides exposure to cutting-edge technologies. Interns work with the latest tools and platforms. They gain valuable insights into industry trends. Section 4, the road to Wipro, application and selection. Applying for the Wipro 2025 internship is simple. The process is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to all students. Students can apply through the Wipro Careers Portal. This portal is a comprehensive platform where all necessary information and application forms are available. They need to create a profile and upload their resume. It's important to ensure that the resume is updated and highlights relevant skills and experiences. The selection process is designed to identify the best talent. Wipro looks for candidates who not only have the technical skills but also the right attitude and aptitude. It involves online tests that assess technical and aptitude skills. These tests are crucial as they help in evaluating the foundational knowledge of the candidates. Shortlisted candidates are called for interviews. This is an opportunity for candidates to showcase their problem-solving abilities and communication skills. These interviews are conducted by experienced professionals who evaluate the candidate's skills and suitability for the program. The interviewers look for a good fit for the company's culture and values. Section 5. Embark on your journey. The Wipro 2025 internship is a stepping stone, and it can lead to a rewarding career. High-performing interns may receive full-time job offers. This internship is an investment in your future, equipping you with the skills and experience needed to succeed. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Visit the Wipro Careers portal today and begin your journey towards a bright future.